Want to use Instagram quiz sticker in story? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can do that. First, launch open the Instagram app. Make sure to log into your account. Now tap on the Your Story option at the top. Go ahead and select a picture or you can click one. Now, if you want to add the quiz sticker, all you want to do is tap on the sticker icon at the top. Now, you will not find the option as quiz. Instead, you will find it as poll. So go ahead and select that. Now, ask a quiz question. Once that is done, tap on done. Now, you can adjust the size of your quiz and then place it wherever you want. Now you can add any audio or filters, then tap on the Your Story option. And in this way, you can easily use Instagram quiz sticker in story. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.